buckle up. Okay.
Hey, who's a smart driver? Best wheelchair driver on campus right here, Nina Lever. Who's a smart driver? What's your name? She texts while she drives? That is terrible. While she drives? That is terrible. All right. Who else is a smart driver? Somebody who's a smart driver. Come on, you want candy and you know it. Are you a smart driver? Are you a driver at all? Are you a good passenger? What's your name? Leo Mejia is a smart driver. Smarty. We're ready to start some relays. Here's how it works. Very simply, all teams be watching these guys, okay? You start out touching the pole. Okay? As soon as you're touching the pole, I'll say go. You run around the car one time. Just walk around real quick, okay? Walk around the car, run around the car one time, get in, buckle up your seatbelt. As soon as you've got your seatbelts all four buckled, okay, as soon as you have all four seatbelts buckled, you get out of the car, you come back to the pole, you touch it again, run around the car one more time, in the car, buckle up, and you're done. We got somebody with it, what, twice, yes, twice, oh yeah. Come on, Mr. Bird, you're not that old. All right? Okay, who wants to go against the water polo team? I'm seeing boys basketball ready to go. Away from the cars, give them enough room to move. Okay? All right, water polo, you ready? Yeah. Varsity basketball, you ready? Timers, are you ready? On your mark, get set, go. Around the car, get in and buckle up. Get in and buckle up. Don't have to close the doors. Get out of the car as soon as you've buckled up. Run back to the post again. Oh, it's hard to buckle those seatbelts when you're in a hurry. Touch the pole, run around the car one more time. Oh, basketball, looks like they're winning. Come on, hurry up, water polo. If this were underwater, the water polo team would so win. Okay, let's hear what the times are. What's the time, Alicia?
38.85.
38.85. What's the time here, Amanda? 33.5 what? 33.5. Okay, so far, varsity basketball, good effort, water polo. Hey, get some candy up here. Andrew, one more rule. Benji, one more rule. When you're finished buckling up the second time, lay on the horn as hard as you can. Let us know. Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
They're all running all the way around the car.
Make sure they get them all buckled, right, Amanda? Whoops! Where was the fourth door on this car? He's going to get under the hood. Woo! Okay, what was the time, Amanda?
26.
26 on the button. And how about you guys? What was the time?
29.4.
29.4. Hey, you beat even the boys' varsity, right? Oh, if you go too fast, it doesn't want to upgrade. Go, 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 girls across. Whipping the behind on boys football. As opposed to girls football, I guess. Driver safety facts for you, so listen up here.
Hello everyone. Okay, so motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of death for 15 to 20-year-olds in the United States. Two drivers, 15 and 19 years old, have reported a it's about 4 times higher than the rate among driving children.
Tustin Acura right over in the Tustin Auto Center is our sponsor for the SADD Club. They have helped us out all year long, and they are the ones who provided these cars and all of these gifts so that we could give them out to you. So make sure you take advantage of one of our offers here, and that is we have these forms up here. If you take one, you can go to Tustin Acura and you can get a free auto safety inspection for you or your parents, so that you get a chance to get a free inspection. They won't ask you to do the work there. You can get it done anywhere you want if they find something wrong, but they're all to help you, okay? So, who is our winning team? Are you kidding me? Model United Nations. Woo! It's not just a sport, it is a sport for your brain. Model United Nations, step up, you get the free Burger King, Carlos Jr. certificates. Make sure you thank Carlos Jr. Okay, Sarah Riley here. Sarah Riley, you signed the pledge and you're a winner. Come get your prize. Guys, here's the final message, all right? Tustin High teachers, administration, students, we love you. We don't want you dead. We don't want you to be a statistic. Over 5,000 teenagers die every year in auto accidents. You are way more likely to die in an auto accident than somebody who is 25 to 69. And 2/3 of the teenagers that die in auto accidents die because they are not buckled up when they get in an auto accident. So be safe, sign the pledge, join Students Against Destructive Decisions, and we hope you have a great day. Be safe. No texting in my class, no texting in the car.
Mayor, oh hot damn, this is not jam. Keep the party into the AM.